So my third question is that if I will be hosting an event in my college, then how can I get students to come and attend that event? So what would I do is I have a YouTube channel in which I have 100 subscribers. I have an Instagram page in which I have 100 followers. I have Facebook page in which I have 120 followers, and on WhatsApp I am involved in a lot of groups of our college where all the seniors and juniors are present. So what we will do is we will create a very nice message that we will specially mention that it is beginner to advanced level so that everybody can attend the event. And what we will do is we have to research that what events would benefit each and every student of our college, which the courses are going, which are in a high demand in the industry level, that on that courses we will be making events, we will be organizing events so that students can get maximum out of it, and we will tell them the importance so that they will be able to know that what is it about, and if they have a little bit of interest they want to explore, then they can come, and beginners are most welcome. So we will make a community that everybody come and join and learn something out of the event. So that would be um, very great, that if a student is coming to an event and he's uh, learning that how to make some skills in at Microsoft Azure and other things as well, and in other technologies, and events only we get to know about the things that are going on in the industry. So that's really important, and we will get across to as many as students as much as we can, and we will help them explore more and more in each and every technological field so that every student can get access free of cost and can go to the peak of the mountain and have success in his or her life. Thank you very much.